End plate spike spontaneous activity generated from actual muscle fiber following mechanical irritation of nerve terminal, short in duration 3 to 4 millisecond, moderate amplitude 100 to 200 microvolt, biphasic and initially negative, signifying that needle is right on top of where the MAF originates. Muscle fiber and plate spike needle EMG. End plate spike and end plate noise frequently observed together arise from same region. Crispy sound, sputtering fat in a frying pan, slowly ripping Volcaro. Fibrillation potential spike form or biphasic waveform, spontaneous depolarization of single muscle fiber. Fibrillation potential short in duration, less than 5 milliseconds, less than 1 millivolt in amplitude, and fire at rate between 1 to 15 hertz. Fibrillation potential. Fibrillation potential nearly all motor neuron disorders, severe myopathy, occasionally severe neuromuscular junction disorder, and in chronic spinal cord injury and stroke. Typical sound like high pitched tick similar to rain on tin roof. Fibrillation potential spontaneous depolarization of single muscle fiber, not initial positive deflection, brief duration, and triphasic morphology. Triphasic morphology of fibrillation potential. Positive sharp wave occur due to impaired muscle innervation or muscle injury. These muscle fiber action potential have initial sharp positive, that is downward deflection, followed by long duration negative deflection. Positive is downward, can be either monophasic or biphasic, sound like dull thuds and appear earlier than fibrillation potential in patient with denervation. Fibrillation potential are autonomously firing spontaneous action potential of single muscle fiber in denervation, usually triphasic in appearance and sound like raindrops hitting a tin roof. Positive sharp wave and fibrillation potential fire in regular pattern 0.5 to 15 Hz. Irregular firing pattern as well can be seen. Size range from 20 to 1000 microvolt. Can be recorded neurogenic and myogenic condition. Indicate ongoing impaired innervation. Grading of fibrillation and positive sharp wave can be done from 0 to 4. Raindrop falling on tin roof is fibrillation potential. Neuropathic disorder, neuropathy, radiculopathy, motor neuron disease, muscle disorder, especially inflammatory myopathy, dystrophy, rarely in severe disease of NMJ, especially botulism. Positive sharp wave, that is large sharp positive deflection, small negative. Spontaneous firing of single muscle fiber, unstable resting membrane potential denervation or intrinsic muscle disease.